Security is one of the most important things to consider when it comes to IoT. However, keeping devices and IoT backend safe is challenging when they are exposed to the public internet. We have network services that can serve as an additional security layer for IoT devices and IoT backend. Soracom Virtual Private Gateway, or VPG, is a gateway dedicated for a customer. Once configured, the customer's traffic is segregated from the rest and can be routed separately. The customer can configure the VPG to peer with their IoT backend by using AWS VPC peering, VPN, or with private fiber channel. It enables the customers to isolate their IoT system from the public network. Also, our new service, Soracom Arc, can establish a secure link over the internet. By using the service, devices that are connected over Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and satellite can also participate in the private network and securely communicate with the rest of the system. The provisioning of a VPG and setting up a private network can be done in self-service manner. Let's see how a customer can set up a private network of devices and servers deployed in AWS VPC, as in this diagram. First, go to VPG management view of the web console, and then select the target VPG to peer with the backend. The next thing is to click on the Add VPC Peering Connection button and provide parameters that specify the target VPC, namely AWS account ID and the VPC ID, and also the region that the VPC resides in. Also, you would need to provide the VPC IP address range so that the routing can be configured properly. And that's it. The Soracom backend will take care of the rest, and now the VPC peering connection between customer's VPC and Soracom VPG is completed. Here's a case study of a customer, Hotel, who has done precision agriculture in North America since 2002. When they considered migration from an on-premise system to AWS backend, they chose Soracom because we have cloud-native cellular core network on AWS, and they could use our VPC peering feature to establish a private network dedicated for their server backend and devices. This architecture has enabled a secure environment for their sensors and actuators in the field and their backend servers. By combining Soracom Air cellular connectivity and our private networking services, customers can build highly secure end-to-end IoT system. For example, even if the attacker tries to tap the network in the middle, cellular link and our backhaul connection is protected. Even if the attacker tries to steal credentials to access the network, SIM is tamper tolerant, and customers can also use network-side IMEI lock to make sure the SIM can only work with the designated device. The attacker might try to reach out to the devices via the public internet, but the access is blocked by our stateful firewall by default. The IoT backend is no longer exposed to the public internet if the private peering is established. Thus, there is no way for the attacker to reach out to the backend either. However, in case of IoT, there are still risks to consider. What if attackers physically access devices, or what if malware is loaded to devices? In that case, devices who have access to the private network can attack the backend, or leak information to third party, or even attack third-party servers, and your devices could be the attacker in that case. We have thought through the attack vectors and have implemented third-party tool integration feature in Soracom Virtual Private Gateway. The customer can turn on the traffic mirroring feature, and then the VPG will start to copy and forward packets going through the VPG. If you specify a DPI, IPS, or IDS solution as the mirroring target, you can use the solution to detect malicious behavior of devices. We have worked with partners such as Trend Micro and Sandvine and proved that the combined solution can detect malicious behaviors of devices and shut them down.